Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Diecast Garage. We've got some cool stuff today. We've got a box of cars today. This is the 50th anniversary Camaro commemorative set, the decade set. Picked this up the other day, and nice sealed box. I opened it just to make sure the cars were okay. And just going to do some unboxing here and going to open one car up too for you. First off, we've got the two early Camaros, the 67 Camaro, the 69 Camaro convertible. Card art on these are fantastic. So the cars are pretty good. I wish they would have had real riders, but the card art is actually very nice. We're going to open one of those up at the end of the video too. The second decades is the, sorry, get around here, 70 Chevy Camaro, and we've got the 81 Camaro too. Really nice card art, all hustle, no disco. Really cool. And next one, we've got, oh, let's get kind of mixed up in here. The iconic IROC Camaro, 85. Definitely a good 80s car. And then we jumped to 95 with the 95 Camaro ragtop. Mattel's coming out with some fun cars for the 50th, so we've got lots of exciting stuff to do videos on and collect. Getting into the Gen 5 Camaros now, the custom 2011 Camaro and the 12 ZL1 rather concept. Card art again, very nice. The same on either. Very cool. And last but not least, we've got the 16 Camaro SS, and we've got the 2018 Camaro SS. So if you're into Camaros, this is going to be your set for the 50th. They are coming out with some more Camaros, more 67s, yay, because that's what I collect. So definitely keep your eyes out for these. They are at retail stores right now. If you can find a set, great. They come in a box like this. Do not place on shelf prior to November 1st, 2017. So kind of cool. So I did pick up an extra 67 Camaro because I do love the 67 Camaro. The only thing is I collect them loose. So guess what we're going to do here today? And there she is. Nice one to add to the collection. Not an opening hood and plastic base. Unfortunately, I missed the opening hood and metal base, but definitely an excellent one for the collection. And yeah, the 50th anniversary will garner more cars, so I'll have more videos coming up. And make sure to comment and subscribe to my channel and put a